Next question is to determine the voltages at the nodes in the figure. The given figure is 2 times Ix, 4 ohms, 3 amperes, 2 ohms, 8 ohms, and assuming Ix over here, this is 2 times Ix and this is depending over here. Now determine the voltages at the nodes. First you need to find out how many nodes are there in the circuit. Can say I will call this as node 1, node 2, node 3, and this I will call it as the reference node, node 0. Right, now solution. Always we'll see from figure, we can say Ix equals to V1 minus V3 upon 4 V1 minus V3 upon 4 is I1 from the figure. Then KCL at node 1 will be 3 amperes coming in, assuming this as say I1, assuming this as I2, assuming this as I3. Now 3 is coming towards, I1 is going away, Ix is going away. So this can be written as 3 is equal to I1 is V1 minus V2 upon 2. Usually how we do it in BEE, V1 minus V3 upon 4. Right, simplifying, so you'll get 3 times V1 minus 2V2 minus V3 is equal to 12 as equation 1. Then applying KCL at node 2 will give me I1 is equal to I2 plus I3. Now what is I1? V1 minus V2 upon 2 equals to I2 is V2 by 4 and I3 is V2 minus V3 upon 8. So V1 minus V2 upon 2, simplifying, this will give me 4 times V1 minus 7V2 plus V3 is equal to 0. This is equation number 2. Then KCL at node 3, this will give me Ix plus I3 equals to 2 times Ix, or I can say I3 is equal to Ix. that will be V2 minus V3 upon 8, and Ix is V1 minus V3 upon 4. So after simplifying you will get it as V2 minus V3 is equal to 2 times V1 minus 2 times V3. So this will be 2 times V1 minus V2 minus V3 equals to 0. This is my equation number 3. There are multiple ways of solving these three equations, so you can solve them simultaneously, or you can solve by elimination technique, or you can solve by elimination technique, eliminating the variables technique. You can solve by Cramer's rule, or you can solve by MATLAB. So these are three ways of solving this equation. I'll solve them simultaneously. On the calculator I have solved, and I got it as V1 48 volts, V2 36 volts, and V3 60 volts. So these are the three values assuming Ix in this branch. Now you can try assuming Ix over here and solve the problem again. Ix change its position from this branch to this branch, and then you can try solving the problem.